Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is May 3rd, and we are going to take a look at this Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Palantir closed down 19 cents, 10.55, that's 1.77%. What else can I say about this? We have a red candle. We made a higher high and we made a higher low. That's the good news. We tested the resistance at 11 bucks and then came back down. So nobody wanted to pay more than 11 bucks for this stock. Let's go see the 1 hour chart quickly. Pretty uneventful day. So we tried to go close to 11 bucks. Then we came back down. Came a little bit higher here in terms of the body of the candle. Then came down and went sideways. So nothing much is happening here with Palantir. There's the earnings call that is going to happen on May 9th. So this might change things a little bit. This is something that we have to see. Let's hope that Alex Karp does not speak too much, because when he speaks, this is not helping the stock very much. In terms of the indicators, stochastic at 7, MACD abysmal, RSI very low, and DMI very low. So no sign of recovery so far at all yet. Patience is the name of the game, and boring is a synonym. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.